and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. Today's video is a grocery haul. This is a pantry restock video. I drive about an hour to go to an Amish discount grocery and I load up on organic and non-GMO items. This pantry stock up is kind of boxed goods, dry goods, grab and go, easy things for the kids. There's no bread in this video because I am on a bread making kick. I will link to that video below. There's hardly any produce. And that's because our garden is in full swing. I'm bringing in a harvest every day. I can link to my Instagram and our gardening playlist if that's something you're interested in seeing. And there's no eggs in here either because we have hens and they are laying. So now that I have all of that out of the way, let's get into this grocery haul, and I will try to have prices, the price I paid and comparable price listed on the screen. So let's go. I'll start here with the corn. It was 6 ears for $1. I have 4 bags of them. Non-GMO white balsamic vinegar, $1.50. Organic Italian extra virgin olive oil, $3.25. I also wanted to try this olive oil. It's also $3.25. I got 2 containers of organic apple cider vinegar for $5. This sea salt I got for $1.39, but I did see it at a different place for 99 cents, so that was not a very good price. This honey is $4.99. Organic juicy juice for $1.49, and I got 4 of those. Santa Cruz organic grape juice, $1 a jar. I got 2. Cereals from 99 cents to $1.50. Some organic cinnamon for 75 cents. Wild Harvest sugar cookies, 4 for $1. I did get 4. All of the rest of these crackers were 60 cents a box. So I've got 7-grain sea salt, caramelized onion, thin wheat crackers, classic rounds, and mini peanut butter crackers. Those are all 60 cents a box. And then I got 2 flats of Cascadian Farm grape jelly for 99 cents a jar. All of these organic boxed mac and cheeses were 2 for $1, I think. Yeah. They were all 2 for $1, and I just grabbed a couple for the kids. I picked up a case of these Maple Hill organic yogurts for $3 for the case. I picked up 2 flats of these Annie's organic Bernios. And here are some Pace non-GMO salsas. They're 99 cents a piece. They're mild. I got pineapple and honey chipotle. I grabbed 2 of these organic hot cereals. They are multi-hot cereal for $1.25 a bag. Non-GMO baking powder, 2 for $1. I got 4 of those. Raisins, these are just normal raisins, 99 cents a pack. My son really likes those. I'm going to be doing a lot of baking coming up, cookies and things like that. So I got a bunch of this organic light brown sugar, $1.25 a pack. Here are some shredded walnuts, $2.50 for 4 cups, and sliced almonds, $2.25 for a cup and 2/3. I did grab a couple non-food items. I have freezer bags in multiple sizes and some matches. Over here, I just grabbed a couple bags of these penne rigate pasta, 75 cents a bag. That particular rice was $2.25. Then I also picked up long grain brown rice for $1 a bag. I have 2 of those. And my favorite basmati white rice, those were $1 a bag. I have 2 of those. Just some cream cheese. Those were $1.29 a package. I don't think that there's anything special about that price. I think that's probably normal. And some ricotta for $2.49. I also picked up 2 cottage cheese for $1.29 a piece. We've never tried these chicken burgers. I can't remember what they cost. I will look on my receipt and let you know. My kids really love these, so I picked up 10 of them. 5 are chicken breasts and 5 are turkey breasts, and they're $1.29 a piece. So these organic ramen noodles look pretty interesting. They were 6 for $1. I could only find 11 though, so my daughter really likes ramen, so I got those for her. And then I grabbed 4 of these organic blue corn chips. They were 75 cents a piece. Non-GMO popcorn. It looked interesting. Avocado oil and sea salt. They were 4 for $1. The kids should like them. My youngest son really likes these, and I try to get him the ones that do not have canola or soybean oil, so these have sunflower oil in them instead. They were 4 for $1. These 2 things I grabbed for myself. We've got some chocolate here for 85 cents and cashew halves for $6.99, which is really expensive, I think, but I really love cashews, so I grabbed those for me. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up. And as always, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.